again. Now we'll see in this practical, that is what is inline frame. Inline frame is also known as floating frame, and this is actually output. So it is used for online advertising. The area of in this blue box, this is called inline frame. Means this area is generally used for placing the advertisement. HTML5 incorporates seamless, that is with no scroll bar margin. So for mostly advertisement, inline frame is used. So contents of advertisement are placed inside the inline frames. This box, it is there. This box is nothing but inline frame. So iframe tag is used to create inline frame. So we'll see how to write the code. So this is a code for inline frame. So from body tag we'll start. So body tag I had given bg color. These are the attributes. Okay. So h1 I had written, and from here we'll start. This is iframe. Iframe stands for inline frame. This is used for creating floating frame also it is called. It is generally used for placing the contents of advertisements. The advertisement which are placed inside the iframe, that is called inline frame, are from third party. So iframe tag is used to create inline frame. Whatever is there, the contents in this file in src will be placed in inline frame. So we'll say attributes of iframe. Src is nothing but you have to give here value src attribute. With src attribute you have to give the address of the document which you want to display in inline frame. So here I had created one file named as iframe.advt.html. So whatever is there in this file will be placed in this frame. So next attribute for iframe is height. You have to give in only pixels. So I had given 200 pixels, width 200, and then name. Name you have to give any name to the iframe. Then close iframe tag, because this is paired tag. Paired tag means you have to give one more tag. So we'll see output again, and hope you understood this. So I'll run this output. So paste your address. See now here the upper in white letter, that is actually contents of actual document, and in iframe tag is used to create inline frame. Inline frame is also known as floating frame in HTML or HTML5. And in blue box whatever is there, that data, that data of another file that is been placed in this frame. In blue letter it is C. This is displayed in inline frame for advertisement. So for generally whenever a website is created, some area is reserved for advertisement. So advertisement are placed in that box. Okay, now we'll see which file, how we had written that file where we place the content here. So we'll see that. So we'll see I had created here src iframe advt, and so this file I'll show you, that is simple file. So I'll search that file, open. So I had given name as iframe. I have to search that file where it is. Iframe. Okay, this is a file. So here this is simple file which I had placed in the inline frame. So whatever is written in body tag will, this content are displayed in inline frame, because this file name is what I had given. You can see again in save as, I'll show you. See, I had given this file name as iframe advt. So I had placed that contents in in another file. So another file name is where I had written iframe. So I'll open that file again. So here, so this is actual file where I had created inline frame. So this iframe advt I had placed in iframe. So I had used the address of that file. src is nothing but to specify address of the document where you want to place in inline frame. Okay, because I had used src with iframe. So hope you understood. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share so that you will get more updates. Thank you all of you.